Welcome. One of the characteristics of the cancer cell, angiogenesis, this hallmark characterize the cancer cells and the very important essential for metastasis and for survival of the tumor cells. All tumor cells require a blood supply to grow to a significant size. Cancer cells are able to do this by using pro-angiogenic factors such as vascular endothelial growth factor, also called VEGF, is the field of the cancer research to become activated in the tumor cells and signal to endothelial cells to grow and make new blood vessels. Angiogenesis is a process by which new blood vessels form from pre-existing one. It's a crucial mechanism for growth, development, and wound healing and tissue repair in the body. It's one of the physiological mechanisms. Angiogenesis involves the proliferation and the migration of endothelial cells, which line blood vessels to create new capillaries and large blood vessels. This process is tightly regulated, but abnormalities in angiogenesis are associated with various diseases, including cancer, diabetic retinopathy in diabetes, and cardiovascular disorders. Angiogenesis is a physiological process through which new blood vessels form from pre-existing one. It's like nature's way of building highways for blood flow. Initially, during vasculogenesis, the first vessel form in the developing embryo, but after that, angiogenesis takes over and is responsible for most of, if not all, blood vessels growth during development in disease. This process involves the migration, growth, and differentiation of endothelial cells, which line the inside wall of the blood vessels. Why angiogenesis is important? It's normal and vital. Angiogenesis is essential for growth and development, wound healing, tissue repair. It allows oxygen and nutrients to reach various blood tissues. Tumor growth, however, it's also fundamental step in the transition of the tumor from benign state to malignant one. In other words, it helps tumor grows and spread. This realization led to the development of angiogenesis inhibitors for cancer treatment. Since angiogenesis fuels tumor and growth, the researchers have developed drugs that inhibit this process. These angiogenesis inhibitors are used in cancer therapy. Immune infiltration cells such as macrophages can also secrete VEGF to induce angiogenesis. Uninhibited angiogenesis enables tumor expansion and local invasion through delivery of oxygen and nutrient and production of growth factors that largely benefit tumor cells. Tumor cells also grow geographically further away from the blood vessel than normal cells because they have a faster growth rate and therefore need more oxygen. New blood vessels form from already existing blood vessels and reach to the tumor cells. This can continue as the tumor grows larger and larger and larger. Because this process is not natural, these new blood vessels are often poorly made and are leaky, meaning that blood leaks out of these vessels and they don't have a strong integrity and therefore become easy for tumor cells to get into and to get out of them. This provides an outlet largely for tumor cells to get into the bloodstream and into the lymphatic and metastasize to distant sites. Thank you. This is all for angiogenesis, and this is important criteria for the tumor cells to survive and to metastasize and the tumor to turn from benign state to malignant state. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lecture.